today we're gonna do something a little bit different, and I'm holding the phone in a weird way, but we're gonna try to do sort of like a little blog and just go about my day and just kind of have fun. So today I'm off, it's Monday. I'm actually on my way to work because we have a meeting. After the meeting, I gotta head home because I am tuning my car again. Actually, it's like an update, so it's not really like a tune. I'm taking the burbles off and I'm getting the DSG farts. Burbles were fun and all, but I don't want to mess up my engine. Not saying that the tune is gonna mess up your engine, but it's just burbles usually have lifters, go after a while, and then I don't want to deal with none of that issue on the A4 right now. It's the perfect daily. I have it the way that I have it, and I like it, so I don't want to mess up with, I don't want to mess anything up. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing, we're gonna be on a call between 12 and 1. I'll try to record if there's anything different from the first time when I tuned the car, but I don't think there should be anything different. The only thing that we're doing is just changing a couple of things, updating a couple of things. If there is anything new or different about the tune, I will definitely let you guys know. A little Red Bull. Dude, this thing is filthy. There's actually a package in the bag back there that I already opened up. I just wanted to see what the contents of the inside were gonna be, because I was too excited. But we're gonna be doing a little review on that package. But yeah, stay tuned and let's go. I will miss the burbles. Tell me how this car wash has been here for forever, and I never knew that we had a touchless car wash close to us. Just gonna drive right up to it. I was gonna do wheel wash, hub scrub, clear coat, spot free. I don't know too much about that clear coat, but the rest, all right. So this is one of my favorite features about the A4, or at least the Premium Plus, the ones that bring the 360 overview. I just be playing with it. Let me see, I just want to look in the rear, because that's where they are right now. Oh, automatic wipers are going. We got the little wheel brush right there. Last time that I was here, that one wasn't working, but I came back the other day and then it was working, so I don't know, maybe it was cold. So I think it's about to do the rear wheels right now. That's pretty cool. And that's gonna do the front. Get a little bit of a closer up. Brushes look like they need replacement. So that ain't half bad for a touchless car wash. It's super bright today. Even the wheels look clean. I do have to take them off and actually do the insides of the wheels. My car is ceramic coated, so I don't know if that does help, but overall it does look like it did a good job. What I am going to do is I'm going to hit it with a spray wax, dry it, and then there's a product inside that I want to show you guys that I just got that I'm going to use in the inside of the Audi. In the comments that are asking me what towel I use to dry, I use Chemical Guides. Guys, I have used this towel maybe about 8 to 10 times already. I have to actually take a look at when you have to wash this, but I have dried my car about 8 to 10 times, and this towel does the job every single time. There we go. She's finally all clean, all dried up. Door jambs, wheels, absolutely everything has been touched on this car. So I'm hoping that she can stay clean. It's a lot to ask for because we are in springtime. So you know that's pollen. Look at all that. That's all green. But yeah, guys, let me show you what I bought from TikTok, because apparently TikTok is my new thing. This is what I got from the TikTok shop. All right, let me introduce you to my new black line cleaning kit. So we got here the dark ice. It looks like this looks like to be the air freshener. This right here looks like to be the interior reset, so like the cleaner. On top of all that, we got a couple of brushes. And some cleaning towels.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is can tight.
Alright, so right here I'm going to be using the reset kit. It says that I can use this on anything, including leather, suede, and fabric. So I'm going to start going ham here in circular motions to lift up all the dirt and all the grime. This does smell really good. The reset, the black ice, it's leaving in a very strong scent. Let's wipe this baby down. I do like this product. First time using it, and I don't have no complaints about this. This product actually it's pretty amazing how it does everything that it does with the cleaning, the boosting, lifting up all the debris, and just making your car look brand new.
God, you look so pretty when you tell me that you love me. I wish that I could lie, but my mind gets in the way. I know you think that I'm always waiting.
So this black line reset finish kit, I'm not gonna lie or anything like that. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I don't get impressed very often about products and stuff, but it does what it's meant to do. And honestly, it looks like I just got a $500 detail in the inside of how clean it looks. I like it. I don't have no complaints. So if you made it this far to the video, thank you. I appreciate you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. You guys saw I was tuning the car and I was talking to Trent. There's a new update that he came out with for the B9.5 platform. I'm waiting for him to text me back on the actual fine points, but some of the things that I want to summarize is smoother power band. It's going to be the DSG farts if you want those, and then you can also customize if you want the low, medium, or crackle tune. So right now, I'm on my way to my parents' house. The car's flashed. That took about an hour. It usually takes about an hour to flash the car, which is usual when you're doing all that sort of thing with different manufacturer. But yeah, I was on the phone with Trent for about an hour tuning the car. I did the 2 pulls. I still got to do 2 more pulls, and those 2 pulls should hit a little bit harder. I'm about to hop on the highway now, going to my parents' house, and then I'm gonna see if I can get those 2 pulls and kind of go from there. I'm excited with the new revision. I can tell that there's a little bit more power there, and the car definitely feels a little bit different. Once Trent or once somebody is able to unlock the transmissions for the B9.5, I feel like this platform is going to be a strong one to modify and to make power out of. Alright, so I'm about to do a 3rd gear pull, 60 miles an hour. Dude, what the hell? This thing feels so different. Oh man, it pulls so good. It just wants to haul ass. And then the downshifts. Ooh. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. I wish you guys could hear the DSG farts right now. Yo, this dude was tailing me. He was on me, yo. But look, yo, he's speeding. He was on me for like a good 5 minutes until I had to get off the exit. I thought I was gonna get stopped because I was just doing pulls. Yo, I'm telling you, they be spawning out of nowhere. They do be spawning out of nowhere. Guys, if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe All 3 of those help me in the long run with the algorithm with YouTube. This is my first vlog, so definitely let me know what you guys think, how I did, where could I improve, and let me know what sort of content you guys want to see. Make sure to check out my TikTok and YouTube shorts, because I do post a lot more on those platforms on throughout the week sort of basis. But I appreciate you guys. Lock in.